How to access and change your Netflix settings. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can access and change your Netflix settings. First thing you want to do is open up any web browser and go to netflix.com. Log into your account if you haven't already, then select the main profile. Now, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and click Account. Here, you'll find several important sections such as under Membership and Billing, you can change your email, password, or phone number, update your payment method, or redeem a gift card or promo code. To switch your Netflix plan, click Change Plan and then choose to upgrade or downgrade based on what you need. You can also buy an extra member slot if you want to share Netflix with someone outside your household. For privacy and security, scroll down and tap Manage Access and Devices to see every device logged into your account. Under Profile and Parental Controls, you can manage settings for each profile, including majority restriction, viewing activity, and even subtitle appearance. And that's it. That's how you access and change all your Netflix settings quickly and safely. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.